Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Touch Printing and Designs. We are having our graphic lecture tonight, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel to get notified anytime we post videos. Today, I will be acting like the student, while my colleague will be acting like the lecturer, so that we all can get what he's about teaching. We are going to teach on Toolbox. Sir, you are welcome to the class.
Hello everyone. Today class we are teaching about the toolbox, how to make use of your toolbox. At the left hand side of the screen you see your tools. All of them are functions. It's very important to know them, how to make use of it in designing. Well, first let us start with rectangle shape. Rectangle shape is very important to know, to use in designing. Double clicking in a rectangle shape, you got your workspace quicker. For example, let me redo it. What I have here is already A3. Then I want to start designing in A3. I will go to my rectangle shape and double click. Double clicking there, I will get the workspace easier for me to start the design.
Excuse me, sir. How do I double click the rectangle as you just did now? How do I do it? Where do I press on the mouse? How do I double click it?
Okay. If you want to go to your rectangle shape, to your workspace easily, you go to the left hand side of your screen. You will see rectangle shape. You double click there with your mouse left click twice, 1 2, then check the box. You see a sign of that a rectangle shape is there. Zoom, you can see a line. It means that you can start off designing with the workspace. Now is now customized. You can start off mixing color and you can start off creating whatever you want. Rectangle shape is very important in designing. It's the first and the most rated key to design in anything you are doing in the toolbox. Second, let's go to test. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Whenever you see this symbol, A means test 2. The short key of it is F8. Clicking in the test.
Sorry, sir. What did you say the short key of the test is?
The short key of it is F8.
F8.
When you press F8 in your system keyboard, you will get test tools.
Okay, sorry, sir. What about the rectangle? What's the short key for the rectangle if I don't want to use my mouse?
The rectangle, the short key of it is F6.
F6.
When the class goes on and you understand what short key means,
okay.
Then let's start at the test 2. The test 2, the short key is F8. Clicking in the test 2, you can type whatever you want.
Okay.
If you want to type in CorelDRAW, you use your test 2.
Okay.
For example, let me type we can all type with our test 2.
Okay, sorry sir, why are we typing outside the workspace? Why are we not typing inside the workspace?
It's not necessary to. You can CorelDRAW have a lot of space. You can type outside, you can type inside if you want. But for me, for a profession, you type outside so you can arrange inside the box.
Okay.
You can arrange assets and centralize and left centralize anywhere you want to do. You can like example, I type day, I can highlight and change case, title case, upper case, lower case. If I want this letter to be title case, I will change it by highlighting, right clicking, change case, title case. So it's very important to type outside the box and arrange.
Okay, so what you're saying now is I can, as a professional or as a novice, I can type inside and also type outside.
Yes, but the best way as a beginner, you type outside and carry to the boss and set, so
Okay,
you
sir.
can get what you want.
Okay, sir.
So another thing we'll be touching on is shape tools. Shape tool there is the second tool at the tools. All the tools we have up to 30 or more tools there, but shape tools is the second. Shape tool is very important in curve. For example, I draw a circle, a rectangle here. I click my rectangle and draw a rectangle shape, then drop the tools. Another thing, pick tools is very important. Whenever you click any tools, after making use of the tools, you drop it in pick tools. So what I'm trying to say, I use my shape tools to work. Shape tools, whenever you draw a rectangle shape and click your shape tools, you will see a sign in the rectangle shape. That means whenever, if you want to curve to your style, is very you can curve in any style you want in shape tools.
Okay, so why are we curving? What's the importance of curving and everything in
Well,
graphics?
you suppose understand, in graphics is more of designing. Creativity is the main key in graphics. If you want to create more further, you want to curve, you want to create more things that will be attractive, you make use of your curving tools. That means shape tools. Shape tools help in curving. For example, I press my control cure. Control cure means curve, and click the line, the rectangle shape I have already draw. You see more options of curve. All these things are for curving. You can use it to curve more and create whatever you want. Where the class is still, when you subscribe, you will see a lot of it. I will be touching and teaching about it. Are you
Okay.
seeing my curving? I can curve to any angle I want with shape tools. So shape tools is another important thing in graphic.
Okay, sir, you said once we are done with any tools that we have to drop the tools before picking another tools. What
Yes.
if I don't drop the tools and I continue? Will I be able to do what I want to do?
No, without dropping the tools, you will not, like, the you have a small problem in, for example, I click this zoom. After making use of my zoom, I did not drop it, the thing will still continue zooming. So what will I do? I will drop it in pick tools. Pick tools is a resting key. You can use the pick tools to drag inside the box and set whatever you want. So dropping your tools in pick tools is very important in designing. After making use of your key, any key here, you drop it. For example, I click this box, give it a color. The next thing is to drop. After dropping, my color have a small black line up, is called outline. I want to remove it. I go up here, you see 0.5, I put it to none. Check my drawing. Do you see what I got? I use my shape tools to draw. I draw a circle, I draw a rectangle and curve it with my shape tools. See what I got here? It's very important to know this. And another thing here in working and in creative is transparent tools. Under that you see a transparent tool. Transparent tools is used in fading a background or a object. For example, I have draw a box here and curve it. Using my transparent, I can fade.
Okay.
I can fade it more lighter to anywhere I want. I can put it in uniform fading. This is called uniform fading. I can fade one side. I can thread the downside, the right or left, anywhere. I can thread the upper side. It's very very important in knowing about threading tools.
Okay, so can I also use the transparent tools to also fed an image? Like when I have a picture here,
Yes,
can I use it to fed
you
the
can
image?
fed anything you want through the feeding tools, both the convert image and non-convert image. You can fed with transparent tools. Even though you are even done with designing, if you want to fed your designing, which is not important, which is never been done before, you can use transparent tools. Is always active in any feeding both the JPEG and non-JPEG files.
Okay, so what do you mean by JPEG and non-JPEG file?
JPEG files are those files that have been already converted, while non-JPEG files are those files that you create by yourself, you are still working on, you can edit it. It's called non-JPEG file.
Okay. So when I have not saved my work is non-JPEG file, but when I have saved...
No. When you have not converted your work, it's still on non-JPEG file. But if you convert it, well, when we go further, I will teach you how to convert, and I will teach you how to convert a project or a file, anything.
Okay, sir. So
And another thing here, we work with our polygon.
okay,
Polygon.
is that also a tool?
Polygon is a shape. Polygon shape. We have stars, but we are working in polygon now.
Okay, sir, is that also a tool?
Yes, it's a tools in
Graphics.
is a tools that we use. It's
Okay.
very very important. Polygon, through polygon we can get any shape we want. For example, let me draw a polygon shape. Through this polygon I can get star, anything I want. If I want another shape, by clicking here, polygon shape can form to any shape, even to star, by clicking, by plusing here. See my shape. Polygon shape is for more creativity. Using polygon shape, like example, let me give this shape a color, see what I got. But initially, let me show you. This is my polygon shape, but through the polygon I can get another shape, triangle, more shapes. I can even use the polygon to set a star, but we are not heading that side now. Okay. So polygon is a tool. It's one of the major tools in designing that can give us more shapes, like star, complex star, and more of them. Okay, so thank you for today's class, and subscribe more so you get more of our teaching and improve more. Thank you everyone.
Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you everyone who has subscribed and who has paid attention to what was taught today. I really enjoyed the class, and I believe you also did. Please, if you haven't subscribed, you listen to my colleague, please subscribe our channel. We are taught printing and design. Subscribe our channel so that you can get notified when we post videos. Thank you.